Hello, user testing community. It is Mike McDowell once again from the solutions consulting team here at User Testing, back with another tip of the week. Last week was our April product release, and it was a doozy. There is a brand new feature that I cannot wait to show you and give you a tip on how to make the most high quality research in the shortest possible time. Our product team has truly done it again. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to one of my standard tests that I like to show you during these tips, the Wendy's website ordering test. Again, I built this for our Human Insights World Conference last year. And so this is the great thing about our new features when the product team releases them, is that they are backwards compatible, and tests that have already been done will be updated. Generally speaking, if it was within a few months, you'll get the new update for that. So this was the Wendy's website ordering test. You will recall the keyword map, how much I love the keyword map here. This is where we take the transcript of the keyword, of the task, and then we put that verbal response into a word cloud, and then we plot it on a sentiment line. You can click on any one of these bubbles here, positive or negative, to see who said it, and then to be able to click in and watch the clip. Now, a lot of you will have probably seen that I might click on a word like great, and I'll see 5 people said it, but 4 of them said it in a positive way, and 1 of them said it in a negative way. Well, that's not available in this view. And I like to think of the metrics tab as insights at a glance, instant insights. And so what our product team did was they made this not only more instant, but they also made it more interactive. And I'm going to show you that now. So let's switch over back to my browser. And I'm going to go over to the metrics tab and check this out. So you can see here, this is a verbal question from that Wendy's test. And now, instead of just seeing some of the keywords, we have to turn it on. Now we see all the keywords that we think are the most important or the most sentiment driven in the study. And we can see here, this was for the homepage. And we can say, okay, any one of these I can hover over and see, okay, there was 18 positive mentions about the homepage, 1 negative mention, and 5 neutral mentions related to the word good. Well, I can click on the word good, and I can sort of come in here and I can see there's it's showing me relevant words, like the word great is relevant to the word good. And I can see, okay, it's something about, it's really yelling at me in my face with all the red. So they're talking about red. Well, did maybe anyone else say anything about red or the colors? It's a really red homepage. What if I just want to add the keyword red, because that's the iconic color of the homepage? I can just search for it and see if it was said in the transcript. It says, yes, it's present. Let's add it. Now, look at this. Here's red. It was mentioned 3 times, 1 negative and 2 neutral. If I click on that, it's going to show me the actual transcript here. Yeah, it's really yelling at me in my face with the red, and that's the one we saw already. It's not visible when I load the page. It's just all this red. So another person sort of talking about it negatively, and also a neutral comment. And then we get the positive here. I definitely noticed that there's a lot of red, which is the iconic color for when when I can't see the exclusive deals. So you not only now can drill right in. Of course, you can click play on any one of these to watch the clips. You can see everything up front. But if there's something that you're particularly interested in the transcript, a lot of you have asked me over time, can I search the transcript? And you can. But now, especially on these verbal responses, we can just put in our own keywords and search them and get the sentiment if they do appear. So a huge, huge advancement in terms of instant insights and making this more interactive and more customizable to you. So this is a great new feature. Again, thanks to the UT product team. These guys really delivered. For this week, it's Mike McDowell. I hope you guys are doing a lot of verbal responses and checking out these keyword maps. Until 7 days from now, I will be back with another tip of the week.